Hello and welcome back to another video of Top 5 What. In this channel we talk about cars, bikes and other automobiles. If you are new to the channel, then do consider subscribing for a simple video guide about your favorite car. Now let's talk about the BMW Vision Next 100. When we look back at BMW decades from now, we may know exactly when it surrendered driving pleasure to a phalanx of robots wearing blue and white roundels. That was the start. The BMW Vision Next 100 concept did not mark a turning point for the company whose products once very much lived up to its ultimate driving machine advertising tagline. The BMW Group also believes that the BMW drivers will be able to let their cars do the work, but only when the driver wants. Unveiled at Munich's Olympic Hall, the Vision Next 100 is part of BMW's year-long birthday to celebrate its founding on this very day in 1916. The low-slung copper-hued electric car was designed specifically as a sports sedan, and it measured 193 inches long and 53 inches high. The concept has 4 butterfly doors because Tom Cruise wanted them for the next Mission Impossible that open automatically via proximity sensors. All 4 wheels are draped not by a skirt but by a flexible skin that can move with the straight wheels. Self-driving sensors sit behind the giant kidney grills, which is the only indication that this concept is a BMW. Now, let's talk about its interior. Inside, upon pressing the BMW logo on the center of the dash, the steering bar motors out from its flush position. The more significant shape shifting comes in the form of some 800 model triangles that BMW calls alive geometry. BMW says it will use alive geometry to present 3D messages instead of warning lights or LED screen. Anything these triangles can't convey will be projected across the entire windshield, which acts as a giant head-up display that will overlay road information and alert. The BMW Vision Next 100 has 2 driving modes. In both modes, the driver takes control. The dash triangles act as co-pilot, flipping around to suggest how you should or you shouldn't drive. Switch into easy mode and the triangles relax. The steering bar slides away and the seat back swivels until they become part of the door panels. In this mode, passengers can binge into social media, stream movies or whatever they like. The BMW Vision Next 100 can go from 0 to 100 km per hour in 3 seconds. The system output of 441 kW, which is 600 horsepower, permits a top speed of up to 300 km per hour. A gemstone-shaped sculpture located in the middle of the dash lights up when the Vision Next 100 is in easy mode to tell other motorists or pedestrians that the driver isn't at the wheel. Full technical details haven't been published yet. BMW predicts that moving forward it will be possible to manufacture far more complex cars. Alright guys, that's all for this video. If you enjoyed the video, then do consider subscribe. Till then, let's meet in the next video.